Solve the equation. Log base 1/2 of x is equal to -5. One way that we can solve log equations is to change them to their exponential form. I'm going to do that by writing this as 1/2 to the -5 is equal to x. 1/2 to the -5 power is equal to x. Now, let's solve for x by evaluating this left-hand side. 1/2 to the -5 is equivalent to 2/1 to the +5 power. We take care of that negative exponent by inverting that base. So x is 2/1 is 2 to the 5th, or x is equal to 32. It's always wise to check that in your initial equation. 32 is a positive number, so it satisfies all of our requirements for logarithms. A check does verify that the solution set is 32.